3/15/2021 Wynn Resort. WYNN daily chart. Yep. Making, look at the highs. We just want to show them right there. And we are right at a critical point of either a breakout and or a consolidation phase. We look for higher prices on the reopening of Las Vegas, and what would that do for the stock? When we take a look at the monthly level, and knowing Las Vegas really well and the traffic metrics that are coming in on bookings is what we are looking at, forward looking. And when we're looking here now on Wynn, we can see right there with that crosshair going across, starting back over here on this very date of the body of that price. That was on 1/1 of 2020, January 1/1, 2020. And the high was 153. And that was the high then. And right now, this monthly high and the movement is 143.88, and the monthly low is 126. So they've been buying in anticipation of the reopening trade. And when Wynn cleared all of the monthly moving averages and is now above, and the really good one here is the 100-month has become new support. And it did. And then the previous month's high, that low shoulder is above it. So we look at buying this on the dips, and that is the monthly view of it. And once again, we're at a critical point where we can continue to break out higher, but this is very bullish on Wynn, WYNN, and there are a couple of more that we cover that are also looking good. Once again, on the weekly, we look at that weekly breakout of the last 4 weeks when we got above the 100 weekly moving average, and it cleared it. And then it's today's week that we're starting, this calendar week, above the previous week's high as of now, at this very moment in time. And the RSI is at 79.67, it's 93.4 on the percent K on the weekly. On the daily, once again, we always look at what the breakout looks like and how it's going to take out tops and how much further it could go, because right now it has what we call a daily buy signal on it, and it does. So it's just the very beginning, and the money flow is at 72.2. So once again, when we take a look at where a breakout can happen, we know exactly how the options would pay and what the call side versus the put side, and we can see we're above the 10-day moving average, and today being the beginning of a new day above that rising blue line. That's your 10-day moving average consolidation above it, and that's what we look for when we're going to get these breakouts if they're going to continue. WYNN update, call side.